In this video, I will show you how to test and share your field with others. After we've created our field, it's definitely a good idea to test it. In fact, you probably want to test it before you finish the entire field, just to make sure you're heading in the right direction. In order to test your level, you can just go to the test button, and as you can see, all the editor controls disappear. I can still move around with my camera like before, but I can't create any new objects. What I can do is use the editor controls to move the robot. And for this robot, and most default robots, to move, we can just use U to move forward, J to move backwards, H to turn left, and K to turn right. And this allows you to move the robot in whichever direction you want it. In the case of the Beetle, because it also has two little motors at the front, I can actually use Y and I to rotate those motors. This should make it possible to test almost everything you'd like to test in this editor environment. Let's drive up to the flag, and I can see my robot can reach the flag just fine. I'll hit reset, which of course resets my level to where it began. It looks like my level is ready to be shared, so I'm going to hit the share button, which gives me a link. I can simply hit copy on this link, close this, and I can share this with anyone. For now, I'll just go up to a new tab, open that, and I can see the puzzle I just created, but now in a regular environment. And someone else can open this puzzle as well and try to solve it. They can do that by going here in the Code tab, which will load the basic block and code editor that you all know from the FTC Sim.